Hi friends, for all the mathematics solutions, derivations, formulas, please subscribe and click the bell icon here. Thank you. Yes. Hi, I am Murali, maths teacher. Okay. Today we will learn how to solve fifth problem. How to solve fifth problem. Okay. Trigonometry. Trigonometry exercise 6.1, exercise 6.1, fifth problem. How to solve? We will see this problem. Okay. The fifth problem is given like this. Fifth one is given as in fifth problem we have sub problem, that is first one. Secant power 4 theta into 1 minus sine power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta equals to 1. This is the problem. This we have to prove. So we have LHS, RHS. Now you will take LHS. If you take LHS and if you simplify this, we have to get RHS. Okay. LHS is given like this. Secant power 4 theta into 1 minus sine power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta. So nothing we have to do, just multiply this. Remove this bracket. Okay, multiply this. That means secant power 4 theta into 1 secant power 4 theta minus secant power 4 theta into sine power 4 theta. Secant power 4 theta into sine power 4 theta minus this 2 tan square theta as it is, you write. Okay, so just multiplied. Then secant power 4 theta minus this secant power 4 theta, secant power 4 theta we can write like this: 1 by cos power 4 theta into sine power 4 theta as it is minus 2 tan square theta. Okay, then secant power 4 theta. So here sine power 4 theta divided by cos power 4 theta, we can write like this: tan power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta as it is. Okay. Yes, after this, here secant power 4 theta we have. That secant power 4 theta we write like this: secant square theta whole square minus tan power 4 theta as it is minus 2 tan square theta. Okay. Next, here we have secant square theta. So we have one identity. What is the identity in terms of secant square theta? We know this. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. From this, what is secant square theta? Answer: secant square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. So this formula we have to use, this identity we have to use now. So here secant square theta is there, we write 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, equals to 1 plus tan square theta whole square minus. So here secant square theta I wrote 1 plus tan square theta. Remaining is same, this both. Tan power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta as it is. Then here we have to apply a plus b whole square formula. What is a plus b whole square formula? A plus b whole square. a square 2ab plus b square. You have to apply this. And listen here, we will solve here. Equals to a plus b whole square formula. If you apply, first one is a square, that is 1 square, plus second one is 2ab, so 2 into 1 into tan square theta plus b square plus tan square whole square. Remaining this minus tan power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta as it is. Minus tan power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta as it is. Now simplify this, we will get the answer. Okay, 1 square 1. This answer is 2 tan square theta. This one is plus tan power 4 theta minus tan power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta. Okay, now cancel this. Minus tan power 4 theta minus tan power 4 theta plus 2 tan square theta minus 2 tan square theta cancel, that is equals to 1. So RHS we got, hence proved. That's it. Thank you.